Your social homepage is the hub of all activity, and you'll want to understand everything in it. So let's take a brief tour. Starting at the top right, you have your reading list. Think of this as bookmarks to other legacy books you find most interesting. Below your reading list are your connections. Your connections are people with whom you've shared your legacy book with and vice versa. The news and updates section provide you with educational videos, FAQs, and other relevant information to help you create content and optimize your experience inside Legacyshare. To the left is your feed, which contains all the relevant activity and recent connection updates. Moving to the top of the page, you'll notice a search bar that allows you to search other users and their legacy books. The icons to the right of the search bar are utilized when you want to find and message other Legacyshare members, as well as view notifications. At the far left, you'll find the logo. Simply click on it from any page within the platform, and you'll return to this page. To learn more, see our next video on how to get started adding your cover photo to your legacy book. We made setting up your cover photo easy. From your social homepage, simply press on the big green button that says Start Creating Now. This selection takes you to your legacy book where you can add a cover photo. Click on the button that says Add Cover Photo. Next, select Add Files. This will open a window on your device that allows you to select a photo you want to upload. But remember, be sure to select a file under 5 megabytes. Once the photo renders, select Done. And there you have it. Your new cover photo is up and ready for people to enjoy. Don't like the way it looks once it's up there? No problem. Just select Change Cover Photo and follow the same process. You can do this as many times as you like to get that perfect cover image. Now that we've created a chapter, let's add a story. From your social homepage, select your legacy book by clicking on the large image. Then, select the green Edit button in the upper left-hand corner of the page. You are once again in edit mode. Now, go to the drop-down navigation arrow in the middle of the page. Select New Story and pick the chapter to which you want to add your story. Let's add a story to the chapter Our Vacation in India that we created in the last video. Now, let's add the story title. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, so let's add one now. Select Insert Media, then Add File, and select an image from the desktop. Now, let's add some text. To save time, let's copy and paste some content from a Word document. Remember, Legacyshare auto-saves everything, so there's nothing left for you to do. Select View to exit edit mode and see how your story will appear to your guests. Watch our next video on how to add information to your map and timeline. In addition to your legacy book, your account includes a library with limited storage to preserve your photos, documents, audio files, and more. From your social homepage, select your legacy book and enter edit mode. Now, select the legacy book navigation icon on the upper left. Look to the bottom of the navigation pane, and you'll see your library for photo, audio, and document files. Let's add some photos to a new photo album. From your device, you can select one or more photos to upload at once. Keep in mind, if you upload multiple photos at one time, it may take some time to load them all in, so don't be alarmed if it takes a few moments. Once the photos are added, you can tag it by people, topics, time frames, and locations. By adding this information, you'll be able to see it in your timeline and map. Once you're done tagging your digital files, be sure to select the desired privacy settings so others can view them. If you're not sure how to use this feature, please see our video on publishing content and privacy options. For any documents and audio files, follow the same process.